Do you want to know how you can log into your Paylocity Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Paylocity Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar to search for Paylocity Payroll Login. Click on the first link, which is called Paylocity Login, and it will take you directly to the official login portal of Paylocity. You can see that there are three things: company ID, username and password, so you must go ahead and fill them up. The first step is to write down your company ID. Then move to the username section and write down your username. After you write down your username, go to the password section and write down your password. As you write down your password, click So over here and check your password. You can also click on Remember My Username and just click Login. After you click Login, you can successfully log into your Paylocity Payroll account. If you want to sign in using your single sign-on login, just click on this link, write down your company ID and click Login with single sign-on. So guys, this is how you log into your Paylocity Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.